Welcome, welcome. Yo, yo. What's going on, everyone? It's been a minute. But I am mostly moved into the new place. Hi, Wispy. Mostly moved into the new place. You still studying? No, I graduated college. Like a year and a half ago. No. Yeah, like a year and a half ago. Two years ago? I think I graduated 2023. Drop the RBX file for your most recent video. It's a good idea, actually. Yeah, I can do that. I don't know why YouTube chat isn't working. Bruh. Alright, one sec. Do I have Discord server? Yeah, I do. There we go. Okay, YouTube chat works now. We're gonna join it. I'll send the link. I have all the links on my YouTube, but I can send the link for this as well. The Discord. Oh. That was a YouTube link. Didn't mean to do that. That works though. What the hell? There's the link. Alright. Cool. So I think we are all set up. Let me make an announcement on my Discord server and then we can actually get started. Yeah, I will send the RBXM as well. Yeah, it's been a while. Moving was a lot of work. Moved all the way across the country. Minnesota to California. Cool. How do you make the services communicate with each other? So that's where you utilize signals and have one service listen to the other rather than them try and like ping each other essentially. Have you worked on it since your last stream? Pretty much since my last stream is when my computer was all packed up, so no, not really. Hey Metas, hey Glab, hey Robo. Welcome back, everyone. Alright. So, right now, what I think I'm wanting to do is essentially play through the first however long and essentially just balance things, get things feeling nice. White wall or white background? It's actually just a white wall. I was thinking about actually getting like a whiteboard behind me and then being able to use that. Be cool. Alright. Yeah, so I want to balance loot or balance, I guess, loot and progression and basically player feel. And then once that's been done, I want to, I think, start on the whole like trading aspect. Or maybe PvP. I don't know. Yeah, Catloaf, it's been a while. It's been a while. We need to actually make all of the clashes as well. Because right now there's just the one, and we need to update some of the bots as well in the clash. Making clam blocks to shake. They do shake now, actually. Every once in a while. You'll see. They will shake, and then sometimes they'll like pop up as well. Maybe you'll see that. And then also it actually pings a notification when the crate is ready. It's actually a pretty cool system. There was the little hop that I was talking about. You make the global chat thing. There's the global like clan chat, yeah, but it's just using like quick chats. But you can request and all that works. Oh, Nico wants to say hi. Okay. So let me actually reset my data. I was messing around with it a little bit. With the XP. So I was using like Desmographs, and I was basically graphing out how much XP each level should take based off, and then how much XP you gain, and how long each level would take. So this black line is how long each level should theoretically take in minutes. This is like pretty rough, but it should be a good estimate. Yeah. Hey, bless you. Hey, Lexi. Alright. So let me reset my data. And we're essentially just gonna be playing through and seeing how things feel. Admin abuse? I don't really know. How's it going to your new place? It's been a lot of work, but we're really liking it. Alright, just playing through the tutorial. Yeah, it's really nice. We love the area. The area is so nice. Like, genuinely. I do think that the level up crate should maybe have more, but... Couldn't even afford Cali? What do you mean? I'm in Cali now. Oh, you. Yeah, it's definitely expensive. My rent here is $4 grand a month, not including any utilities or anything like that. But yeah, we got RDC coming up this week, which I'm so excited for. I'll be in San Jose for that. When will it get released? Still no set release date. I don't want to make a... I mean, I personally think so, Tozu. A glitch. Hey, Potato. Make tournaments. It would be cool, but it would be a lot of work. I feel like a lot of people wouldn't use it. It would be cool. Alright, so we finally lost one. Have the crate down here. Your own Squid Game. Decorate your wall, yeah, I know. Do you think type checking is essential? Yes. I think using types is very good. Helps a lot. Put your Roblox trophies. The problem is, it's just a blank wall. A picture of you. Ideas for your next video? Like, tutorial video? I don't have anything, like, actually planned yet for the next tutorial video. Currently moving to California? It is, indefinite, yes. For at least 4 to 6 years. Yeah, I was glad to finally get that new video out. I've been working on that for a long time. Maybe wasn't as in-depth as I wanted it to be, but I mean, it's kind of how things go. It's like hard to find the right balance between like really advanced and not be like not super newbie, not super advanced. Yeah, exactly. Podium. I think, like, obviously you definitely can make full games without using a single type at all, but I think it does help the development experience a lot. Prevents so many bugs. Less time testing, more time coding. But I mean, go back a couple years and we literally didn't even have types, so it's not like it's a hard requirement or anything. Oh, not getting any weapons, come on. Learn to react by yourself, yeah. Rewatch previous streams. Yeah, it has been a while. Yeah, driving took so long. Oh my god, we were driving for like a week straight. Stopped in Las Vegas though. That was fun. But been like buying new things because we got rid of a bunch of stuff too. Gambled his life savings. No. Okay. I think this is feeling pretty decent because before you'd level up so fast. I like just changed this. You solo dev, yeah. Any places to learn about type checking? I mean, I just read, like, I knew, like, C++ code, which is strictly typed, so it was pretty easy for me to pick up the Lua checking, type checking. I think object-oriented is good when programming UIs. I don't typically create any, like, actual objects. Ooh, this is a really good one. Plus 3% of hammer. The only weapon I have, bro. Is there one streak limit after which your loot doesn't improve? No. So your loot actually, like, essentially exponentially gets better the longer your win streak is, but the bots themselves get harder. So the limit would be whatever you can't beat. Yeah, exotic. There's definitely an initial time investment, but once things like work, they just work forever. And that's it, because everything is declarative. And that's kind of the beauty in it. Awesome, Tozu. Yeah, declarative is definitely, I think, amazing. I love declarative. But if that's what you need Bless to, then probably. You could just create like a wrapper around it. That's awesome, Lando. Are you a Lando Norris fan? I hate Lando. Sorry, Lando Norris. I was very happy today. If that is what your name is referencing. Do you think there is a right way to organize your game? I think there are wrong ways. I think there are probably correct ways too. I don't think there's one specific way that you have to do. Prefer Piastri. I like Piastri. Yeah. The race today was good. Rip Ferrari, dude. They had it bad today. Picnic on the hill, yeah, dude. That was so funny. They were down so bad. It's our Alexi, did you watch my most recent video? Or do you mean like beyond that? That's funny, Star. I'm finally like mostly moved in, so. That's awesome, Elon. What game is this? This is, I'm calling it Crash Bots, based off of the mobile game Cats. No, I didn't, Star. Funny. Bro, I cannot get another weapon. Please. Is Roblox your income? Yes. It is full time. Yo, what's up, doggy? Welcome back, dude. Dude, this is like actually insane RNG. Where have you been? I have been moving. I moved all the way to California from Minnesota. I'm finally mostly moved in. Mainly just moving, stepdog. Skip works. Yep. I do think this is feeling better. Maybe a little bit slow. Oh, how much do I need? 13? Something like that. Oh, no gadget though. Kind of sad. Fine. Sure. The code itself. Journal modules, recording buttons, frames opening. What if a frame has a specific difference? Like, what if a frame cannot be open in a certain state? I need to add a ton of ifs in the general script. I mean, it's hard for me because I think of everything in a declarative way. So your open state would be based off of all of these values that you're talking about. Yeah, exotic. That's like it without declarative. You're gonna kind of run into that issue where you need to basically chain a bunch of things together and it becomes a headache to manage. I mean, you could break things down into like multiple variables to make them make more sense from readability perspective, but I mean, if something is dependent on a bunch of variables, it's dependent on a bunch of variables, you know? After booster nerf. Gadget's just really good. Does the test option put you on friendly 1v1? It'll be like a 1v0. But it doesn't actually do anything yet. How are you going about anti-cheat? the physics simulation is ran on the server as well as with the client. The server just does all the math. So what you're seeing here is essentially a replay of what's actually happening in real time. Just thinking right now, yeah, I'm balancing kind of the feel of everything. Zach, what's up, dude? Okay, lose that. Thoughts on new developers using AI to explain new concepts? I don't think that's inherently bad. I mean, when I was learning React, and even still... No, I'm gonna lose. No! When I was learning React, like, I used AI quite a bit. The video finally came out, I know. 9 hours behind you now? Yeah, my late schedule is now even worse. It should Piter. They tried to make the React Lua essentially as close to 1-to-1 as they could. It was made for people that are familiar with React. How close to the game's release? It's hard to give like an exact number, but I mean, I think the game is looking very good, clearly. Affected by publish service issue? No. I didn't even turn on my PC yesterday. Actually, that's not true. I did like really late at night. But I was busy. You work with one Cole? No. But I know him. Met him a couple times at RDC. Very excited for RDC. My flight will be a lot easier now too. This is exciting. You can't save a local copy unless published server. Is that for real? That's absurd. That's actually so dumb. Okay, I need to buff level up crates. I got a new notebook too, because I finished this notebook for the game, so I had to buy a new one. And I felt like a little kid because the back to school shopping is going on right now. So I was in the back to school section grabbing a notebook. Yeah, we'll see 360. Alright, so 125. See, this is why I wanted a whiteboard, because I could just have the whiteboard behind me and just write on that instead of a notebook. I mean, I think I'll still do a notebook, but having a whiteboard would be nice. I've been good, Pyron. Been very busy moving, but I'm 24. Buff level up rate. Yeah, Pyron. That's why I haven't been alive. Just been moving nonstop. I'm in Pasadena now, which is like just outside of LA. Self-learned or went to school? Mainly self-learned, but I do have a degree in computer engineering, which did help, but I was making games in Roblox before that. But I mean, obviously learned some good concepts and whatnot in school. Is the clan system finished? I think so. Everything but sharing replays. Oh, I guess the leaderboards should theoretically work. I just need to actually set them up, like the visuals for it. But the actual like leaderboards and everything like that should work. Will it be out soon? I hope so. No exact date yet. Adding skins to the bot bodies. I think I'm gonna take a page out of the mobile game and have like stickers and stuff like that you can add to the bodies. I think that's actually pretty cool. We are buffing the level up crate. Not currently looking for more testers at the moment. Yeah, it's not buffer based, correct. It's strictly utility based, meaning it just makes things easier for me and for you. But if you really need buffers and networking is an issue, then typically it's best to find your own solution, in my opinion. What music is blessing your ears? This 3 hours of no copyright music for live streaming. Why 3 weeks no live? I've been moving. Did bro move locations? Yes. I moved to California. I moved across the country. I was in Minnesota. Level up crate. Level service, server, add XP. Why'd you move? My fiance is going to grad school here. How old are you? I'm 24. When is release? No dates. No dates yet. We will see. Nico, I can't see. Yeah, it was definitely difficult to explain some of the networking stuff, and honestly the UI stuff as well, because I feel like I would need like whole videos on those specific topics, but I didn't want the video, like I wanted that video to be very beginner friendly, if that makes sense. I think it like 7. if ever. Okay, when I say beginner friendly, so right now in the development workspace, Roblox development workspace, there are an absurd amount of beginner slash noob, let's say, friendly guides. There's so many, okay? And then there's a couple like advanced expert. I don't even know if there are any expert. There's a couple really niche things out there, okay? But to get like, let's just say advanced or like intermediate, maybe you're an inter, okay? There is some stuff here, but I want to get these people that are intermediates to the expert level. This is my niche right here. So I don't care about doing the beginner stuff. I want to do the intermediate to expert, kinda. An expert long form video. I feel like the expert stuff does need to be long form. I think it just needs to be me sitting down and just face cam on like this and doing it, because the tutorial videos I put out now are kind of an absurd amount of work, all the editing that goes into them. Congrats, Fiverr. Paid courses? No. I think that stuff is... I hate that stuff. Hey, ITRR. Welcome back. Sorry, Infinity. It's 2 p.m. for me now. Oh, I reset my data. Oops. Did you move? Yes, I moved to California. What's the long break about? Moving! What's the next video idea? Like the next tutorial video? No plans yet. E1. It's on my GitHub. It's called Genroho Tree. It's open source, although it's might be a bit confusing because there's no docs or anything. But hey, Doctor, welcome back, dude. I know, Infinity. I'm gonna get more things for the background because I feel the same way. How are you doing balancing for this game? Dude, I just balance on feel. Like, I do use Desmos for some things. Like, this, I showed this off a bit earlier, but right now the black line is how much time in minutes it takes for each level to level up, theoretically. This is pretty rough, but it's a good estimate. Is Twitch live? Yep. But, like, I have a bunch of graphs in here, so, like, part positions, loot calc, so, like, based off of your streak, basically how much bonus loot you get. I don't know. I do, like, think about things, but a lot of it is just based on feel. Do you have your own player state manager? Are you talking about just like persistent player data? If so, then my data service, yeah. Multivariable calculus to real one. Hey, Washua. Nice, Infinity. Yeah, that looks pretty similar to what I use. What about the speedrun live stream? Dude, I was thinking about that. Use any custom events / economy / funnels? I mean, I use, like, are you talking about the, like, analytics, whatever? You can see here. I track, like, the onboarding and all that. This game released yet? No, it's not. Sorry. I know. Funnels are a must, dude. I mean, I agree, Fiverr. I used game analytics for the longest time. But to be completely honest, I mostly cared about onboarding funnels, and it's just easier using Roblox built in if that's all you really care about. The percent of people to clear onboarding tutorial. So it depends on a couple of things: how long your tutorial is, genre, and your demographic. But like a good, just general number that I'm just gonna throw out would be like 75 to 80%. Hey Chopsky. How much experience do you have? I've been doing this full time, like as my full-time job for like 4 years now, but I've been on Roblox forever. I have a degree in computer and electrical engineering. Worked with some big companies on Roblox. Worked with some brands, stuff like that. Making multiplayer game is my first game I'm gonna be cooked when I release. Maybe. Like, if a game requires like 5 people in it to have fun, and you have not a huge investment into getting people into the game, it's gonna struggle. Because you're gonna get one person that joins off of ads or whatever, and they're gonna be sitting in a lobby doing nothing until maybe another person joins. But if it requires like 5 people to play, then it just gets difficult. With Game Beast, I'm friends with Xander. I was Facts, Derp. Also, what's up, Derp? Yeah, I think for sure, Tozu. Yeah, I'm familiar with Game Beast as well. And they were actually very much in development of that with when I was working at the company that Xander actually got me basically hired at. Yeah, Washu, I'm testing. Just trying to get a feel of the game right now. Oh, sorry. I don't read Twitch very much. I moved, Derp. I moved all the way to California. I'm like finally all set up. It was a very long process, but finally back. Yeah. Next tutorial should be React. Dude, I think the comments on a tutorial React video would be disgusting. Moving tutorial. Awesome, yeah. Yeah. The Roblox community is very, let's say, hesitant on change. I know, Infinity. Yeah, it definitely makes things easier if ever. Okay, I'm thinking now that I actually made the XP a bit too difficult. I would say React has a pretty big learning curve if you're completely unfamiliar with it. Hey, no problem, Derp. I got you. Pre-words, you can start a whole world war. Not looking for testers at the minute, no. Ooh. Do this. Oh no. Ah, bruh. None of my hounds have a gadget slot. Play twos with you. Is there like a ladder for twos yet? Did they ever do that? That was something I always wish they had. Bro, my bot sucks. No, there'll be a lot more weapons. What inspired this game? The mobile game. There's a mobile game called Cats. Mechanite Prince Peckham? No. I was a log bait player. What's your deck? It was Goblin Barrel, Prince, Princess, Goblin Gang, Ice Spirit. Did I say log? Rocket. And there's one more. I can't remember the last card. No towers, I know that. Yeah, finally back. What's the last card? I gotta check now. I have to like reinstall Clash. Tower. No, I didn't play with any towers. Yeah, I said log. Oh, Dark Goblin. Dark Goblin. Yeah. There you go. Are you going to RDC? Yep, I'll be there. I'm very excited. Almost as bad as Expo? Bruh. Yeah, Zaya. I would use Trojan for that. Bro, my bot is so bad. Yeah, bless you. Okay, I'm thinking that I overdid the XP. This is taking forever to level up. I know that my bot's trash, which is not making things easy, but let's go back to good old Desmos and open up the XP. We're right here. Let's just say level 3 takes 4.5 minutes. Down to 3.5. Let's say someone spends the first 20. Let's do this. 175 and then plus 25. Yeah, Isaiah. Hey, Lando. Hey, Juju. Yeah, it can be tricky. Honestly, I just kind of play things until they feel right. 5. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay. There will probably be some monetization tactics. Yes. Anyone in chat going to RDC, by the way? No. Never actually selling power. I'm very against that. Like, you would never sell 2x damage. Dang. Six. Something like that. No problem. You're good, Flo. Damn, I'm OP. Oh, never mind. It depends if you unmount them, Alexi, but typically yes. I broke the game. Thanks, Blobe. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was quite the process to get something out that I think most people can follow. By using a story plugin such as Horsecat or UI Labs Lua. Because order can matter in which way you're initializing services, Waffle. So for instance, my data service, I like to make sure I'm initializing that one first before the others, and some other ones potentially could need it. I don't know. I think it's better to be explicit, but you don't need to be. Someone new to learning Lua, recommend them staying in the default studio. Yeah, definitely. I would only switch over to VS Code if, you know, you're in that advanced category, but not like the expert, like I was kind of showing earlier. Maybe MISO. Yeah, Lua, I do it all. Ooh. Ooh, knock that one out. Close. That one's good. Dang. Giving promises are necessary. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I really don't use promises like anywhere. Something like that. Oh. You stream on Shorts? I don't even know how to do that. Be a good idea though. Five, so we can do up to 6. You got air videos? Yeah. I do. It's a lot of work and I'm slow at it. Thanks, Natatuli. What are we doing right now? We are testing the feel of the game. Okay. So I think I'm in a good spot right now in terms of feel for the first 5 levels. Now I want to, like, honestly almost redo the clash and make it actually playable. React Lua. React is depreciated and you shouldn't use it for new projects. React Lua is the replacement for React. Yeah, maybe Blob. That could be a good idea, honestly. It seems like it'd be annoying to set up, but maybe worth it. But I mean, I guess I'm already dual streaming to Twitch at the same time, so I guess I don't know how it works in regards to, like, try streaming or something like that. Like, can you still stream to YouTube? Only 2 shorts, so you'd have to set it up again. Oh, it'll automatically do it depending on your aspect ratio? You can't just stream to both? That's dumb. Is there a live preview for React Lua? Just any storyboard plugin would work. Is the on-screen chat like an external app? Yeah, it's a Discord, or not Discord, it's an OBS, scene? No, source? I mean, honestly, I still haven't fixed that. It's been a bug forever. That clash felt pretty good in terms of difficulty. My bot's really strong right now. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, I think it'll just be annoying because there'll be like multiple different resolutions that I'm like outputting at, and I have to make sure everything looks good in both resolution or aspect ratio, I mean. Okay, so when you beat a clash, I want the player to should the player immediately level up when they beat a clash, or should they get like a clash loot crate? Level up. So beat Clash, immediately level up. Well, when you level up, you get a crate. Or should there be like a Clash crate? Bro get kidnapped or something. I moved. Yeah, Blob. Literally everything. Code, UI, building, animations, the literal parts. How far did you move? I moved from Minnesota to California, in like near LA. I disagree, Husky. Nice blow. I think they should level up. Yeah, let's make it so that they level up once you beat a clash. Let me just commit something. Balance changes. Sure. Awesome flip. Yeah, I'm really excited to get this out. Have any advice? Listen to and track onboarding. Get the first 5 minutes to be perfect, or as close to perfect as possible. Have very little drop off in those first 5 minutes, and really just optimize those first 5 minutes. Treat it like a Mr. Beast video, except instead of the first 10 seconds, the first couple of minutes, right? How to stop code perfectionism? Asking the wrong person. How to have code perfectionism. How long take it to make this game? It's been like what? Without the break, 2.5 months? Those who work with a certain style of scripting, their own guide how to write in their style. I typically just follow when it comes to like style, I just follow the Lua style guide. Right here, which Style Lua automatically enforces, but then obviously there's like how you structure things and stuff like that. So most of the frames and stuff like that were made in Figma, like this kind of stuff, but some of the icons were generated and then touched up. Like for example, this crate icon was generated, traced over in Figma, and then created the different versions and touched up, like that kind of stuff. Yeah. How many lines of code do you think you wrote? I can tell you. Not including packages, right? Yeah, not including packages. About 30K. 25K, not including blank lines. Yeah, Jack Porter. I think there's a big missing piece there when it comes to educational content. Okay, so when we beat Clash, this is what happens. We increase our Clash level. We should also just increase our level, which would be level service server. I'm gonna make a new function just called level up player. I know it doesn't exist yet, but we will make it exist. You can't see instantly what you're writing. You can though. Like, for example, if I go to HorseCat and mount my UI here, I'm in edit mode, and as soon as I press save or anything, we can see the changes live. And typically I just have like my code on one monitor and then Studio on the other, and I can just see it live, like the actual creation of everything. Like, I use HorseCat right here, but pretty much no one recommends using HorseCat anymore. Everyone uses UI Labs, I think it's called. Ibaldi, yeah, we're back. Finally moved in. Level. That was a dude. I'm loving it here. It's so nice. We're in like the perfect area. I am using Profile Store, technically. My data service is a wrapper around Profile Store. But my data service automatically replicates, automatically saves, automatically loads in, has some other cool stuff as well, like sending global, like, changes. Being able to listen to certain things as well. Like, for example, if I wanted to listen to something like when my level changes, all I would do is do data service, get change signal player level, and then this returns a signal. I can connect to it. And then now it could be like print level change to, and that's all you'd have to do. My data service makes things like literally as easy as possible. That's the whole goal. And then when I go and change something, like I set my level, this is automatically being replicated to the client. The client has like a mirror of this. This is on my GitHub, by the way, if anyone is interested. It's also on Wally. And it does use session locking and everything like that. But saving data that can't be saved directly, like C-frames, you'd have to just take out the, like, the XYZ and the rotational elements, because everything, I mean, that's just how converting things to JSON works, because JSON obviously doesn't have C-frames. When level exists more than once, you instantly update data on JSON, for example, for XP. No. So I mean, it's literally using the profile stores, like saving and loading algorithm, I guess, which I think it's just on a 30-second timer or something like that. And then also, obviously, when they leave the game and session locking and all that. I'll send the link, Iwan. It's on my GitHub here. If you go to Gen Rojo tree, this is exactly what I'm using to have my services and everything in one spot. There are no docs, so it might be a struggle to get it to work, but this is what I'm using. And then what I was just talking about, data service here, I do have docs set up, or I guess the API set up. So you can kind of read through here if anyone's curious about it. But you don't get why session locking is necessary, because a player can only be one server at a time. Okay, so that's not actually entirely true. You mainly run general tree every time you make a train? No, so if I press Control Shift P, I don't know why I did T, Control Shift P, and then tasks, there's this watch Rojo tree, and because I made this tool here, so it's a tool. Then when I run this task, you'll see whenever I save a script, like I'll just save this one, you'll see it automatically generates the default project JSON. You just need to run the task a single time, similarly to how you run the sync in Rojo each time. Husky, that's not true, because a player, it can take X amount of time for a player's data to save, and in that amount of time they can be loaded into a different server, meaning that last save has now been overridden. Session locking is absolutely necessary, and it's actually unbelievable that Roblox doesn't have a built-in solution yet. If you're not using session locking, you are losing data. It's just a fact. How do you perfect your code for the first 5 minutes? It's not so much about your code, it's about the user experience. So how you do that is by setting up funnels, which I think I talked about in my last video. So if I go to funnels on this game, you can see my tutorial funnel, essentially. I have each step of the way, basically the drop off at each step. And then if there's a major step that doesn't work, then hey, you have an issue at this step. Now you know there's an actual goal that you need to fix. There's something wrong. There's tangible evidence. Okay, so now when I beat the clash, we should theoretically level up. And I saw some coins there, which I understand why that's happening, but it's not what we want. You make those text level strokes. It's a stroke combined with essentially a drop shadow, which there is no native drop shadow like UI element. So what you need to do is have a text label underneath the text label. Oh, what's up, dude? Welcome back. Hi, Toonie. We are balancing. Finally back, yes. Moved in. How you been? I've been busy, just moving non-stop. You have a plugin? No. Oh, for UI stroke scale? No, it's not a plugin. Just, I basically have my own way of scaling everything. Remember my password. Moving and go smoothly? Yeah, it went smoothly. You're supposed to use profile store over profile service now. Monta, what's up, dude? I think I won this. I should. Uh-oh. Never mind. I did something like this. And then did a big wheel in back. And a small wheel in front. Oh, it's bad. I need a gadget. Maybe. Player versus player, probably soonish. Focusing on balancing like right now, but I think that will be soon. Oops. It really depends on the game genre now, Eric. Just the drill and no wheels. Yeah, you could. Yeah, Posse. Oh? I could win this, actually. Oh, maybe not. No. Thanks, Posse. You think Roblox algorithm is predictable? Yeah. Remove front wheel. Okay. Trust. Oh god. See? The backwards cannon? Oh, it misses. Yeah, Ko, I think I will do something like that. I need to like tilt it down or something. Or I could just do like this there. That'd probably be better. TBH. Hammer is the GOAT. Hammer is just so good. Game optimized for mobile yet? Yeah, it's playable on mobile. Ooh, that's a good hammer. Wish I had a better body. Like, I wish this hammer was like right there. When will the game be ready to play? No, like, specific date yet. Oh, his thing's pulling him back. That's funny. It can lose. It can definitely lose. Like that. Everything in VS Code, yeah. Yeah. You see GPT-5? Yeah, I did. Kind of a letdown, in my opinion. Doesn't seem any noticeably better than anything I have been using. I honestly haven't even used it for image gen yet, so I'm not sure. I think that laser would have one-shot me, so good thing he missed. You think I win this? I might skip this guy. I don't know though. I feel like I'll actually get under him. I'm gonna play it. Oh god. I was wrong. The hallucination problem. Yeah, I fear that that will always be an issue. Are all those randomly generated? Like the NPCs I was just going against? Yeah. Alright, Tozu. Enjoy your C++ tutorials. Pretty good hammer. Do like a double hammer thing. Do they scale to your level? Yes. It scales to your level, your win streak, or just your level and your win streak. So like, easier opponents will be at the beginning. Like so, I might kind of crush them, get your win streak up. And I actually wanted to do this, change this a little bit. Do you want to require your general modules in each module use them, or do you cache them somehow so you're not requiring them each time? I just require them each time like this. Like, for whatever needs it. But the S code makes it super easy because you can just start typing it. So like, if I needed the get character model from user ID, I could just start typing get character model, and here it's here, and I can just tab, and auto requires it. So it's really simple because I just start writing it and it figures it out. Oh, I should have skipped this guy. That guy was OP. Yeah. It is very, very nice. How'd you make that city like background? It's literally just an image that I found in the toolbox. Like, no joke. Is the comment for the robot replicated to the client from the server? So since everything is just a simulation, no replication is needed except for the end result. So the actual networking is essentially 0. Like if I go ahead and battle in a sec, you'll see we literally have like no replication going on. You can take it one step further and even do the packet profiler. Okay, nothing's even being sent, like packet wise. Oh, there's one. You see what it says? It's just the wins that you won it, basically. That's it. Double hammer attack. I don't know if I have any just like straight up advice right away, Jack. I mean, make sure you actually are understanding the basics, because things are gonna get a lot harder. Oh, I should have skipped, I think. Ooh, okay, never mind. Dang, that does a lot of damage. Just React. Yes. I do Roblox as my full-time job. Oh, why am I not skipping? I'm trolling. Yeah, I've done Roblox full-time for the last, like, 4 years. I think this is a skip. Well, never mind. I think I'll get under him, and then both his lasers will miss, and I'll only be hit by his this. Yeah. Win that. Any advices for someone who wants to make full-time living off Roblox? Oh, why am I not looking? I need to look. Okay, never punished. I mean, I would not treat it like a job or expect it to become a job. Like, it's like the same as streaming in a way. Like, you can't expect to turn on a stream one day and be like, you know what, this is gonna be my full-time job. It kind of just comes naturally, and you kind of have to like take advantage of it. I will say I think Roblox makes it much easier than any other platform to, especially right now. Like every other day there's a new game that's hitting. How much bread do you have? Robux. I don't know, I haven't DevX'd in like a month or so. I have quite a bit right now. Live DevX? No, I think I'm waiting until next year to DevX again. For tax purposes. Thanks, Team Dog. Yeah, it's based off the mobile game. And there's nothing else like it, which is why I'm shocked that no one... Like, I feel like it is shocking that no one else has made a game like this on Roblox. And I've always wanted to make something like this, because I just think it's such a cool concept. The game's ever gotten taken down? No. Oh, dude, I'm trolling. I need to actually use my skips. Huh? Okay. Possibly blinking videos? Dude, I just blink a lot. I don't know what to tell you. No, XY, I don't. I think games that are made quick tend to die quick. At least from my experience. Yeah, Jack. That game I have not touched in literally months. Oh yeah, sorry Wispy. I will get that actually right now. Totally forgot about that. Yeah, Tower Defense RNG used to have a lot more players on it, but like I said, I have not touched it in months. Alright, where should I put this? Where should I upload this to? Discord? Hi, Katie. I'm just gonna put it on Discord for now, because I don't know where else to put it. I put it in sub announcements. That's pretty good. Ooh, wait a minute. This with this? Okay, okay. Yup. Highest you've ever gotten? I have gotten 16K. Which I feel like isn't that crazy these days, but it was top 30 back a couple years ago when I hit 16K. That was Defenders Depot 1. Tower Defense RNG peaked at I think 12K. For that game, did I lose? Okay. That game's just monetized so well it doesn't even matter. This is kind of a crazy streak. That's a lot of damage. That's even more damage. Not as much as this, though. Let me level this up a bit. Now we're cooking. Oh, that guy is insane though. Oh, he spent all my money. Do I win this? I feel like I run into him and then his lance just like hits me once and I die because I have such low health. Oh no. I'm trolling. Thing is, his Tesla will just destroy me. But I only have like this is my last skip. I'm gonna run out of money. I think it's doomed. I think it's doomed. Wait. No. What the? Oh, it's trying to. That's funny. I can fix that real quick. UI, peach, HUD, bottom bar, loot, great loot button. Unoptimized? No, that's what I do. Like I have like a text label that I use. If I go up. What are chips used for? Chips are like the premium currency. Yeah, that'd be fine, Alexi. Try a game, give feedback when we could improve. Maybe towards the end of the stream. Use the micro profiler, Chaso. I just bite my cheek. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, sup doggy. Card Events RNG was actually one of the first games that I made all the UI for, and I've gotten a lot better at it. Clearly. you know if it's a script issue or a rendering issue. You could use the script profiler, so F9 script profiler, and start, and then do some action. So I'll go ahead and click battle, and I'll do another battle since I'm really OP and just one-shotting everyone right now. And then eventually, once you're done, you would then click stop, and now you can see which things in your code are taking up the most time. So like heartbeat, client, update bots, update pivot 2 is taking up 400 milliseconds there. Okay. Update. This looks like it's like it's not super helpful because sometimes they have like anonymous, but it can give you like the exact line sometimes. But this is certainly helpful sometimes. But then also, if you go and open the micro profiler, and then if I battle, and then when something happens that there's a spike, I can look at the spike here and see why is there a spike, what's happening, and see there's like, oh, I'm moving this part 1 bajillion times in one frame, and that's what's happening, causing the spike. An anti-cheat? There's no reason. What do people even mean when they say anti-cheat? Like, genuinely curious. I would just get rid of the humanoids at that point, Jay. Are you replicating the humanoids from the server, or are they client owned? For Roblox to update humanoids. I know they teased something a long time ago, but then I haven't really heard anything since. So the server is moving the part, though, correct? Is the server moving this part every frame? Or are they moving it? Because a lot of the times what you do is, say you have this server-owned part, you don't move it every step along the way, like every frame, right? What you do is you send, whenever it's moved X amount of distance, you send, hey, the part is here now. Okay, so now instead of sending, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, 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 you send 1, 2, 3, 4 updates, and then the client does the tween from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, etc. The client is filling in that in between basically, but the server still has this, like, owns the actual position. In this way, you're only sending, like, literally a fraction of the updates, if that makes sense. But like Ko says, it also depends on what kind of NPC system you're making, but if it is something like this, then I would probably do something like this. And I would even take it one step further, and I wouldn't even use parts. I would just send the literal C-frame that it needs to be through like a remote event and do everything on the client. Yeah, network ownership sucks. Steal games? Like where there's just like the NPCs moving down the middle? Yeah, that really shouldn't be causing lag. And those also definitely do not need to be humanoids. I want some new bodies. Oh, the Roblox avatars. That makes things a lot more complicated. I guess not a lot. This one's not bad. Yeah, the humanoid accessories and shirts and all like that are a huge pain. Oh, this one's really good. Try something like that with boom. The wheel position is not as good as the other one though. See if this actually just one shot him. Yeah, it kind of like pops up instead of down because of the wheel position. I mean, I don't think you even need to do all of that. Like, I think literally it should be a non-issue. Just render everything on the client. Like, there isn't that many NPCs. Lots of state machines. I've used them before. I think when you have like advanced NPCs, or just really anything. In my case, I was doing it for an NPC, or using them for NPCs, and it was useful. Jay, I think your issue is probably not humanoid related, to be completely honest. Like, I wouldn't worry about like recreating humanoids. If it's like super laggy, there's something else. In my opinion. So this one has better wheel position for this. Award. Oh, and this? Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna make the next clash, I think. Maybe not initially Ward, but could be something to do in the future. Wow, one minute. I think I lose this. And that. And that. I think I win this. Where do you find the sprite sheets? Which sprite sheets? For the fire? The fire. The sprite sheet for the fire is actually just AI generated. feel like I win this. I feel like I get under it. Unless it's too heavy? Okay, no. Oh, I didn't get enough under it though. Rip. Yeah. Okay, so now let's make the next clash. How amazing the cell animation is. True. Check this out. Drag here to cell. And then you just let go and it like sucks it in. And look at that. We spent like 5 hours on stream doing just that. Worth every second. Can you add me team developer games Roblox Studio? Yeah, Badamo, you're in, bro. Get in here. Start coding. How did you do the particle sucking in it? Math, really? You like Wish developer. Packs. Did I? We're gonna add some new NPCs. Take us to Disneyland. These were made by Star. I don't know if they're still here or not. No, I haven't thought at all about game passes. Which one should we put in the new clash? I like this one. Yeah, for sure. The robot. We need what, 5? 5. About the kid. Because the hardest one. I like that. What even is this? Buff strawberry. These models are so far. Star did all of these. I don't know if they're still here. I don't think so. Turned a profit yet on this game? Game isn't released for now. In general, yeah. I do this full time. Carlos in the back, yeah. Yeah, Star mid Carlos too. I do like the gladiator, but I feel like that should be in the next Flash. Here got some legs. I think he does. It just the animation isn't loaded. You had a lot of fails in terms of games? Honestly, no. I haven't spent money on ads in a long time, so I don't really know. Can't really help you with that. Also, it's a bit different because, like, I have a community server and stuff like that that I can just ping. So, like, it starts out with a minimum, like, floor of people. Yeah, this is solo. Is there anything specific I had to do about? I don't think there was. Like, I really just took this and called it good. Welcome back, Lando. I think their human part was anchored, and that was it. Or did I not even do that? No, I don't even do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, Co. Because these have shirts and everything like that, so it's whatever. No, I actually hate headsets. I normally never wear a headset, only when I stream. So, bad about humanoids. They are not very performant. Oh, I can't use this. There's blood. Yeah, I straight up can't use this. Let me find a different shirt. Yeah, I like it. I just can't use that. Bro. Maybe just this. I feel like he just looks like nude then. Um. Bruh. Why is it so hard, dude? It's just the same one over and over. Stick up. That's better. Why does he have abs on his back? He's just like that. He's just that guy. And X. The jetpack trailhead racers. The kid boss grow offline. Something like that. Was it a Roblox video? Okay, so up first we have the yes, these are like the clashes. So the second clash and then each NPC in the clash. No, Lachi, not at all. Why Roblox Studio tutorials aren't helping you learn? As long as you're not leave? Bruh. True. I'm old. I'm old for the game. What's going on with that? Hi, Gui. We are making the newest clash. What did we want to be second? We have Caveman. Oh, we wanted Tony to be second. I say it as Gui. I've never even tried making a short or anything like that before. I don't know, they feel very different, like the short form content. I don't know if I would enjoy making it. What, robot? Yeah, exactly, Jack Porter. Yeah, I think it's because, like, obviously if my goal was only to make money, like, I wouldn't be doing the YouTube stuff. Like, because I would be pumping out crap cash grab games in, like, a couple days at a time, just seeing what sticks. But, I don't know, I genuinely enjoy, like, the whole, like, sharing of knowledge and, like, putting out your best work kind of, like, I don't know, I love problem solving and that kind of stuff. What other devlog YouTubers do you watch? I actually don't watch any. Not even Derp. I guess I tune into his streams, but he hasn't posted any YouTube videos in a while either, right? Name it the kid or kid? I forget. The kid. Okay. No animator. Oh, I need to manually put in the animator. And then we need to find new animations for these guys. Explain your game loop in under 10 seconds. Build the bot, battle bots, earn loot. Repeat. These physics type of games was hell on earth me. I actually really enjoyed making the physics engine. It was a lot of fun. I learned a lot. You can message me on Discord, and I may respond. Not a guarantee. Does the mini bot? Oh, the mini bot that follows you. Yes, it does use raycast for the height. Yep. Making tower defense game and the enemy models aren't actually on the server. How do I go about making the tower hitbox and stuff? Just have everything in math, like everything math. Towers are a point in space with some radius. See if an enemy is inside of the radius by just doing a distance calculation. Are you a math genius? No. I think I just took a lot of math classes, I guess. How do you handle character movement? Are you talking about NPC movement? Or for what? NPC. I typically would do everything inside of Heartbeat. Like on some step. And manually control it. I would not really recommend using Move 2, but yep, Seraph, bots, exactly. It's completely detached from Roblox. It literally can run in a, like, I'll show you what's actually running. I know I've showed this so many times, but I think it's cool. If I turn on debug mode, you can see when I battle, you can see the literal bots here. Their weapons. I can pause. I can go frame by frame. How do I do it? I haven't done this in a while. N. Frame by frame. What's actually happening. It's a completely custom physics engine. You can see the saw isn't technically always there. It's only there for one frame at a time, and in that frame it's doing basically a polygon collision check to see if there's any other polygons inside of it. And I'm going to play again, and oh, that's interesting. I can like play after I've already won. That's interesting. Do you think the bet feature will restrict the game? I don't think so, because I think it'll be a zero loss, like, bet thing. Like, if you don't get the right thing, you just don't get the upgrade. Yeah, I did everything. All the UI, all the models for the bots, all the coding, all everything. Yeah, making this was really fun. And you can see how the actual... Oh, whoops. Like, yeah, your contact points, your centroids, everything like that. It's pretty cool, the whole system. The hammers are essentially just some boxes that spin around. Does the physics engine run in real time as the frames play out, or is it entirely computed up front? So I can speed it up. So you could theoretically run it all in one frame, like just run everything, you know, at however X times speed. What I do is I split that across a couple frames on the server, so it might take 4 frames on the server to figure out who wins, just to make sure it, you know, there is no performance hitches, and it could potentially like profile that and see if that's even needed. But then the client is playing out in real time. I love the you can see the like forklift dumper thing. That was a lot of work to make. It was difficult to make. And you can also see in this one, there's the the spring, and this is what the spring is. It's essentially a cone that as soon as it detects something inside of it, it then sends an impulse towards that direction. You can see all these blue lines are their current velocities, stuff like that. So you'll see as soon as I get that cone inside of here, it will then shoot the spring out. There's a literal projectile that comes out. I don't know if we'll see it here or not. There's the projectile. You see it here. It shoots out a projectile, and then if that projectile hits anything, it then takes basically where it came from, where it is now, and then computes like the vector at which it should hit things back. It's a really cool system. Yeah, probably fancy, but this is more fun for me. What's the FPS? So it's a fixed FPS at 60 frames, but you can lerp in between to do whatever frame rate you'd actually want. Visually, it would just interpolate between each frame, but the actual frame rate of the physics engine is 60. It's just what I chose when I was making it. I could very easily go in here and change it if I wanted, but then that would obviously change how things interact. Okay. I think I'm going to end the stream here. Kind of a short one, but like, I'll make it rewind. That's a bit more complicated. Gotta ease back into things. We got RDC coming up on the 4th. Really excited for. Yeah, Park. Can you send it? Or send the name. I don't think it'll let you send a link. This? Yeah, you can see here it pings you when your crate's unlocked. Kind of cool. Okay. How am I supposed to get that? Okay, I got it. That was difficult though, I will say. I would not expect a lot of players to be able to do that just right off the bat. Is this my teammate, or can I kill him? Ah, gotcha.
I told you I was going to win.
Going up. That brace game? No, what's it called, Jakey? Similar to this? Does it need 4 people to start? Oh, I do think I saw some stuff on Twitter about this. It's pretty different than what I'm going for. This is just like a almost open world, like just car racing. I don't even know. Is it racing? Right? Yeah. How does it start, Park? Alright, join mine then. I don't know where the end was. Oops. I do think it's cool. I think it just suffers from... Like, it feels like a Nintendo game, if that makes sense. Like, this would be a lot of fun to, like, get a group of friends to play. I think it suffers from the Roblox platform. Also, some of these jumps are quite difficult for a new player. It's definitely well made, though. But, like I said, I think it does, like, the fact that it requires many players. Also, I don't see anywhere to, like, monetize. Like, in these type of games. Like, I feel like these type of games, like Mario Party, for example, is what comes to mind. The purchase is the game itself. Alright, I'm gonna check out this other game now that someone else sent. Race. Yeah, Crashin'. We're still working on it. Right here. I was just checking out some other games. What do you think like games like Fish/prospecting do so well? The main factors, they keep you in the game. That's their main factor. How do I play? Do I have to wait? Yeah, exactly, Jack. They just keep you in the game. Select a part. Ow. Oh. Oh, this is cool. Am I going? The part that I got? Sure. Oh, jeez. This is cool. Hard to keep track of which car is yours, though. Oh my goodness. My Trackmania skills are coming in handy here. What? It's hard to keep track of which car's yours, though. Jesus. Yeah, it's a cool game. funny that we just had 2 games in a row where you picked apart. I've never seen this mechanic before, but what I played. Oh. Oh god, oh god. No! Dude, this is hard. Can you drift like in Trackmania or no? Winner. Yeah. Is a Make a Way remake. Interesting. Yeah, this game is really good. But again, I guess this one does take a lot of people to make it good. That's kind of the thing. It's interesting because I've never seen this select a part mechanic before. We just saw it back to back. Yeah, I will say that the car physics in this, it's very touchy. Someone who plays a lot of Trackmania, I feel like I should be really good at this, and it's actually pretty difficult. So ugh. Is there settings that you can change to make it less sensitive? Oh, we're going. Oh, is that it? Steering sensitivity. I don't know if it's the sensitivity or what though, to be completely honest. Something just feels a little off, and I don't know what. Yeah, this game's awesome. Props to whoever made this. I wish the camera was a little bit better, but like you said, it's beta. Camera, and I think something about the steering feels really awkward. Also, not knowing which car is yours. I feel like all of those are honestly pretty simple to fix. Oh god. Bro. Let me turn around. 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 20-point turn. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh. Bro! I agree, Iwan. Oh, for sure, yeah. Oh god, dude, this start here is just so annoying. Like, how do you actually get by this without falling? Oh god, oh god, oh god, we're stuck again. Bro. 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 They're too OP. They are too OP. Get me out. Nah, man. Bro. I'm not this bad. Okay, okay, okay. I promise I'm not that bad. I promise I'm not that bad. Dude, this start is just impossible, man. Dude, can we get rid of this beginning? Let me out, 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 let me out. Oh my god. Dude, dude. Come on. Queue up. Queue up. Queue up. Let's go. Oh, we're back. Dude. Dude. Silver one? Yeah, I played like 10 games. Dude. Weekly shorts. Let's go. Oh, why am I live? No, 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 no. Stop, 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 stop. I short a live weekly shorts. What are we doing? Isn't couple of days soon? Or is that in an hour or 2 hours? Yeah, I've never played these maps before. I don't know what I'm doing. Just don't roast me. Is this ice? Oh, no. No, we didn't even get author. That's embarrassing. On the inside there? Oh, that's no, not ice. Okay, this map is so boring. This one looks more fun. Oops. Is there a cut there? It's gotta be, right? What is that? Old. Boom. See, I'm not bad. Proof. Dude, how are we still on this map? Dude, dude, dude. Get me out. Please. Like, you literally are just stuck. Oh. Dude. Literally, how do you get out of this? Bro. New map, new map, new map. Bomb, remove obstacle. So you can press R to respawn. Oh. That's good to know. This guy's a rat. Not again, not again, not again, not again. Yes! Oh, we're so back. I can't see anything. Come on. Alright, we're ending stream. We're ending stream. It's been fun. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.